Alright, so okay, so when you guys already finish your rigs, you guys can make sure that all the joint got 0 in rotation here. Joint range is fine, because of the angle that you want to keep it. Just make sure the angle in here is 0. That will be okay. Alright, I'll just take a JNE file to do a samples demo demo. Neck will be here, slightly off already. And make sure the axis is following the chest 你的 axis 不对这边要跟回去的。Be like this. The head will be here, around this place okay. So pairing it back. Right, so right now we can start to do the setup. Okay, make sure all the angle is nice, it's clean, you can do it. The neck, if you want, you can keep the axis same with the like pointing to the head If you don't want also, it's fine, because it's like you can just use the whirl, okay, for the rotation. It's fine in here. Alright, so let's set up first. Okay, most hardest for you guys I think is the IK arm and legs The rest of the spine is very simple, just FK 1 2 3 4 to the head there, very simple. So for the arm, very simple. We duplicate first. Okay, we need 3 sets. Okay, one is the default for the base, another set is IK, another set is FK. So rename first. L IK arm. Make sure all rename very important Don't left out one. Okay, and then this one will be the FK. I think I have to get here and rename or use this one as rename. Let's just replace IK to FK. Oops. Alright. Alright, the IK arm, we do this first, very simple. Alright, IK arm, how to set up? Go to here, skeleton, create IK handle. This one, rotate plane. Alright, first and second. After you click, don't do anything first. Go back and see, is it the joint is snapped to other place. If it's not, then I'll need to proceed. Alright, now it's done already, the IK handle is there. Okay, you can try to move it. Okay. Alright, next, how to do the pole vector. Pole vector, very simple. Create a controllers. Name it IK, left IK PV arm Alright, and then group it. Make it a group. This one, how to use it? Select this one. Select this IK bone. Parent, press P. Put it inside. So it will be inside, right? Then all this translate and rotation, put it to 0. Then you snap to here. Based on this angle, find here, these two. Put it back. Okay, just pull. Far or close is up to you guys. Any place it can work. Okay? Just make sure you don't move here. If you move, later you snap. Okay? Just around here, wherever place you want to move, you can put. I think here will be enough for me to use it. After it's done, I'm pairing it out. And then rotation, you can clean it. So you follow the whirl rotation. Alright, after it, select your controllers. Select your IK handle. Constraint pole vector. Alright. Then will be nice already, your joint. 100% there. Nice, nice. Okay, you can zero the controllers. Okay, to stand back the placement that you want. Alright, and then one more is the controller for the arm Alright, I think I need one more controllers. Okay, L arm. Okay, IK arm. Okay, and then group it. Okay, make a name. GRP. Okay, IK handle. You can name this one. Oops. L okay. IK handle Alright, this one just drag into the arm. Okay. Oh, sorry, I forgot to do this place. This one, just mesh it modify mesh transform. Mesh translate will be enough, because I want my rotation to be straightened in here. Because when you do animate, right, you can like go up and down, forward, backwards. If you're following the rotation inside this bone, okay, then when you want to go up, you cannot go up. Okay, let's say this one, when you move up your axis, you see a lot of like value is running. When you guys open the graph editors, you don't know what how to use it with here so it will be hard. Alright, so make sure rotation will be clean. It's following the wall rotation. I mean wall axis. Okay, and then I need to put in your IK handle. Alright, now IK arm is finished. Okay, then we go to FK. IK arm finish, and we'll just hide it first. FK arm. FK arm very simple. Alright, controllers. Name it LFK. Okay, arm. Elbow. And wrist. Okay, then you group each of it. Make the name. Group. Copy. Paste. Paste. Alright, so this one also very simple. Okay, IK arm is done already. FK. 1, 2, 3. I saw it out. Arm will be the first one. Put in here. Modify, mesh, transform. Mesh all. Then elbow will be here. The wrist will be here. Okay, snap each of it. And then parent it. Parent it based on what they want. Okay. Now they'll be inside here. Okay. Then you do the constraint parent. You want to tweak the size also can we tweak the size first. Okay. Control vertex, select all of it. Then go to scaling. Alright, make sure it's on object. Then you can scale it up. Scale up your controllers until you can see it. Okay, if you want to rotate your controllers, press R rotate, but you cannot do like this. Okay. Also select the object one. Okay, reset to, followed by object. Okay. The angles, very simple. You can use a snap, 45 or 90, up to you guys. Okay, rotate to the angles that you want. Like this is okay. Alright, sizing is okay. Then we do the constraint parent. Okay, this and this. Isolate. One by one, constraint parent. Oops. For the FK rotation, you must follow with the joint placement. Okay, you don't follow the whirl. If you follow the whirl, later when you rotate, you go other ways. Okay, so follow from me lah. 跟着吧. FK 就跟着吧. Okay, if you're using whirl, right, then the thing is wrong. Later you don't know how to estimate already. Okay, using this will be very hard if you follow whirl. Alright, now it's done. IKFK. The next step, okay, is this one. Connect to the base arm. So to do that very simple. Okay, make sure you're selecting in orders. FK, IK to here, or IK, FK to here. Up to you guys which one is the first one. Okay, so for me I will like from bottom to up lah. So I'll go like FK, IK to the base, constraint parent. Okay, FK, IK to here, and then parent, FK, IK to here, and parent. Alright, now each of them they have their both of the constraint already. Alright, so we know how to do here. Okay, so let's say this one is the IK arm. We'll move. Okay, this one in the center is the base. Alright, if you move your IK, okay, so this one is your IK arm. Right, so this one is the IK arm. This one is the base. Okay, so let's say you want to follow by IK. This one put 0 for the FK, 1 for the IK. Then we will follow to there. 它就会跟在那边了。OK， 这个还记得吗？我们讲做 parent 的这个 I think this one you guys didn't forget, right? Still remember by in here the parent there's like 2 nodes inside. Which one is coming inside? Okay, after it, to do this, okay, we can use the set during key. Or let me have the controller first. Sorry. This one is IKFK switch. Okay, group it. Name your group. Put it around the arm placement here. Okay. And here, all the value we don't need. Lock and height. Okay, and then in your attribute. IKFK 0 to 1. Okay, minimum and maximum value. So you got the drag, your attribute in here. Okay, 0 to 1. You can have a small slider in here. Alright, so after it, you can do the set driven key. Go to animation, key, set driven key, set. Okay, make a shortcut lah. Okay, control shift click it. You'll be on your shortcut in here. Click it, and then controller put in here. Alright, next is your parent node. Put it on driven. Alright, so right now is FK. I think I start with IK better lah. Okay, start with IK. Drag to left will be IK. So select it. IK is 1, FK is 0. Okay, IK is 1, FK is 0. So click it and these two key. And here. Okay. Alright, after it, change. Okay, to FK. So this one, FK will be 1, IK be 0. Okay, FK be 1, IK be 0, all are the same. Alright, same thing. And key. Alright, now your IKFK is done. You can switch your IK arm to FK arm. Alright, and then you want to do the controller's visibility, same things. And just set for the visibility for the group. Okay, to set it on and off when you trigger this. Okay.